Guys, if you have rock chip on your windshield, you want to see how to fix it with your wife's gel polish, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that and preserve your windshield from cracking. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a car and you have a rock chip, guys, on the windshield. You want to see how to fix it. We'll explain how you can do that using your wife's gel polish, guys, clear polish. What you need to do, how to prepare it. That way you will make it smooth, it will be almost invisible, and at the end water will not get in it, because usually water will get in the rock chip. And when it freezes, it expands, and that's when it cracks the windshield even more, or extreme heat. But applying that method most of the times will preserve the windshield for a longer time. Sometimes it will not work, sometimes it will work amazing depending on the rock chip, guys. All that will be covered today. We will explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools for your car, that way you do not waste money and time. And guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix almost anything like suspension, engines, engine work, electrical. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We guys have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, here is the rock chip. Okay, a little bit hard to focus, guys. Okay, I'm trying to focus here, but unfortunately it's almost impossible, guys, to get it. But if we don't take care of that rock chip, guys, what will happen? Practically water will get into it, it will freeze, it will expand, it will crack the windshield. But if we take care of it now, guys, okay, we don't need to worry about that thing. So otherwise, okay, it can expand. What we'll be using here, pH bond. We're going to use top coat, UV light, paper towels, and you can even use some rubbing alcohol as well. So, first step, wipe everything really good. You may even use rubbing alcohol. Use pH bond. If you don't have one, you can, guys, buy just rubbing alcohol from the pharmacy. Apply to the crack. Now we will let it evaporate. That will remove all the oils and things like that, wax, anything like that. So we can continue, guys, with the next step. Next, guys, we get the top coat. This is the gel coat that actually dries with UV light. We're going to get some, apply a little bit, okay, perfect, and let it kind of like get in the crack deep inside, okay, so it can actually, guys, okay, disappear. Now we need to turn the light on, and we're going to bake it for about 2 minutes. So we have the light on, the timer is on, 2 minutes, guys. We'll let it bake and we'll continue with the next step. So the light, guys, just turned off. Now it looks like a water droplet. Check this thing out. It's just a water droplet, and practically you cannot almost see a crack. So we will explain what else you need to do that. It's super hard now. The next step will be to get a razor. Make sure you have a new blade. If you want to see where to get new blades or a razor from at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So let's get scraping now. So guys, what we did, okay, we shaved it a little bit. On other ones, okay, you may need to go ahead, guys, okay, and actually apply very thin amount to where you don't even need to shave it. It's important to fill the hole and all the cracks so it doesn't spread. Water cannot get in, okay, if the crack is isolated and the nail polish dripped inside of it, that will cause it, guys, okay, not to crack anymore in the future. You can see now it's really smooth to the finger, and it's practically, guys, okay, it's practically, okay, it's going to last for a really long time. If you want to see how to do that, guys, okay, that's how we did it with nail polish, something that you may have at home. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.